Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix glitch in apps in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First close the app. First swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. Then find the glitching app and swipe it up to close it completely. And then reopen the app and see if the glitch is gone. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Next, restart your phone. Press volume up plus power button. Then slide to power off. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn your phone back on. Step 3. Check internet connection. Now scroll down the control center. Many app glitches happen because of a weak connection. Turn Wi-Fi or mobile data off. Wait for few seconds. Then turn it back on. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 4. Update the app. Now open the App Store. Then tap on your profile. Then tap on apps. Scroll down and look for the available updates. Updating the app. Obtain fix bugs and glitches. Step 5. Update iOS. Go to settings. Then general. Then software update. If an update is available, install it. iOS updates help fix system bugs that cause app glitches. And that's how you can fix glitches in apps. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.